Client refund checks. Now, this is sort of based on a multiple choice question. It's a one you could easily see on the exam. They do love kind of harping on this, so we got a slide for it. Circular 230, which provides regulations for the practice of tax professionals practicing before the IRS. We know that. Just drilling that down. Nice introduction for every slide. Gotta love it. Among the rules here are those relating to the handling of a client's refund check. You might be like, well, why is that a big deal? It kind of is. In the given scenario, the CPA has the following options related to the client's refund check. So we've got 3 that are not permitted, 1 that is permitted. Obviously, this is very much in the format of a multiple choice question. So what can you do in regard to a client's refund check? You can hold the check for safekeeping and await the client's return. They're going on vacation, right? They did their taxes. They're going off to sail on a yacht, and they're going to come back. They're saying, hey, you just did our taxes. So they'll get the refund check sent to you. Now, you as the CPA, as the tax practitioner, preparer, you can hold the check for safekeeping and await the client's return. Sounds good. You're not doing anything wrong there. Now, what can you not do? Oh boy, there's a few things. First off, you cannot endorse the check, which, endorsing a check, signing the check, and depositing it into an escrow account for the client's benefit. Now, if these seem oddly specific, it's because they are. These are commonly presented situations on multiple choice questions. You cannot hold the check until the client's billed, then endorse it and deposit it into your account as payment for the bill. And you cannot endorse the check and deposit it into the client's bank account. So we see, first off, you just can't endorse the check. All you can do, hold that check, put it in a safe or a vault or a locker, just hold it for safekeeping until the client gets back. Now, in today's day and age, they probably just get direct deposit, but that's me. The exam loves to deal with legacy textbook stuff. Gotta love it. According to Treasury Circular 230, I'm just losing my mind here, saying it over and over, the only action that would not be considered a violation of the rules of practice before the IRS is holding the check for safekeeping and awaiting the safe return of the client. This option is allowed under Circular 230 as the CPA does not endorse the check and simply holds it for the client until they return from their trip. Presumably they went on a trip or whatever, or until they get around to coming to the office and picking it up. The other options all involve the CPA endorsing the check, which is prohibited. As a result, these actions would be considered violations of the rules of practice before the IRS, and we do not want to violate the rules.
Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.